It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, duck. Morning, lamb. Here's Honk the car. Listen to Honk's special sound. Everybody in Springland has their own special sound. Honk loves blowing his horn, especially when somebody is in the way. Listen, who's making this sound? It's Swo Swoosh the helicopter. Morning, Swo Swoosh, calls Honk. I heard you before I saw you.
I have a good idea. Let's play a listening game,
says Swo Swoosh. Okay, calls Honk. Honk and Swo Swoosh are going to listen and guess different sounds. Floppy and Fluffy the rabbits also want to play. Close your eyes, everybody, and listen very carefully. Who makes that funny sound? Honk remembers the sound. I know, it's Croak the frog, calls Honk.
I know that sound. Is it a horse or maybe a cow?
Says Swo Swoosh.
It's not a horse, it's a cow. Cows say moo,
calls Swo Swoosh. I know, that's the sound birds make. Floppy was right. Mummy and Daddy Bird are calling to each other. Each type of bird has their own special sound. Listen to Honk. He's using his horn to copy the birds.
That's very clever, Honk,
says Swo Swoosh.
You can sing like a bird.
Someone's calling Honk to the harbor. Who can it be? Everyone knows this sound. It's the sound Toot the boat makes.
Close your eyes and listen very carefully,
whispers Toot.
Try and guess this sound.
Who makes this sound? Is it one animal or two animals together? I think two animals are making that sound, says Honk.
That's very clever, Honk,
says Toot.
But which animals are they?
I know, calls Honk. The first sound is a lamb bleating. The second sound is a pig oinking. Have fun listening to new sounds, everybody.